Okay, so once you see the ghetto bro, that means the cops are coming. The cops just showed up right now. Everybody's dipping. We got the cops right here. Scoop! God damn, okay, so the cops are here. Damn! You see what happens with the helicopter? Once the helicopter gets you, you're screwed. Okay, so like I told you guys, the chopper came in, spotted the Infinity. They're pulling the Infinity over now. You gotta be very careful with the chopper.
So we tried to save Fabian. I tried blocking, so did King. Didn't succeed. We have him in the back over there. We might let him go. We don't know yet. Out here searching his car. Look at that. His head looks like a penis. Oh wow.
So I'm walking back to the spot, and there you see the cops, and you see my homie's car right there. So let's see what happens. Hopefully they let him go. Alright, so they told my homie's car is right there on the tow truck. They let him go, so I'm glad they let him go.